CM भाई सपाइका सपाइ माने यागुलोनो ताबो रिबन गायै तिनिनि ओ पांगानो रिबन गामाने बिसिंतेके बिसिंवा हाबै पांगानो संसारि
I had a work of training agreement. So in the evening time, I want to showcase what I have learned across. So I am interested in restaurant work. So in the evening time, I'll run my restaurant, and then that is how it is. So in this restaurant, the theme of this is a bamboo. Wa sinaru wa kabamo man kobo. Ingka utilize hika wano lockdown of painai kum khane grade 2 year. So I utilize like a war of Togo, I can build a restaurant with one, so I can. That is more cheaper also. The asset thangya building tangon is like tini within a canal. Alka design canal, alka design will change canal. So I call myself is a sustainable restaurant. Whenever it's so that's when I make this team as a bamboo team restaurant. The next what facilities I'll provide in my restaurant. So the facilities I will provide you, I'll provide a free Wi-Fi, free charging point, a washroom, and then a meeting room or a conference or a birthday celebration. And then I don't know, screen room here will provide free mats from the IPL, cricket matches, free screening or any important news or entertainment. So there will be screen every day. So that is not for entertainment and also for your business media, so you can use if you want to. So that is totally depending on our choice or your choice, however you want to use the restaurant as. So and another thing I want to bring out is that all my staff that is those who are working with me, the 10% of my if I income profit, if I mean profit, so 10% of my share of my sale will go to my staff. Not only salary, ang staff ang surprise nang nabay tongri saja. Kuluma din na nang sound gang. Ang staff ang sound kuluma din. Tini nang say tongo. Then if we are into a profit, then 10% of the sale will be divided to a staff. So the 10% of the sale will be divided to the staff, and the staff they are not my staff. Everyone is going to be a partner in this restaurant. Anyone who works me will hold a share. Say the salary of my staff is 10,000 rupees. I will contribute, the company will contribute 2% every month towards like provident fund or from that company. Say like it is kind of a share. So if you work with me, you are a shareholder of this restaurant. So, and restaurant cafe. Tini 6 October 2021, then all of the gathering happening again. Kita kaisa training academy of hotel management and plus a restaurant cafe. Kumulung address kumulung ba, then kulwiri kita. Again, all restaurant tam nibagay or training academy tam nibagay. What is my mission and vision on the training academy? My main vision towards this training academy is to promote and those who are working in the restaurant, to promote them. I want them to come to my training academy who are just a startup or who want to start their new restaurant, to train them on how restaurant industry works. And you may ask me, who am I to train you, or who are you? I am Shekhar Devarma, and BSc holder in hotel management from Punjab Technical University. I have been working over 15 years experience with 5-star hotel with both national and international chain. So, I'm the 15 years of experience of the Bangalore, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Pune, Delhi, Kolkata. Under me, I have trained many Tibrasa people also, plus across India I'm trained agent. So So in my training or in whenever I see my people, I want to promote them in the field of hotel. But what I feel is that none of us are promoting hotel industry, or we just know as hotels as we know that as a chef, songai, and they get service finishing. We don't know that our hotel industry or step-wise hierarchy they all hierarchy was five-star hotel we come from GM, General Manager, hotel. So in that way, there's the first starting training or without training or without any within the hotel of Hamnan in the camp, you will be entry level of Hamman. But whereas why training academy? The training academy here is like 3-month or 6-month course I'm going to provide here. And opening ceremony to the restaurant the restaurant floor. I come to the second restaurant floor on a totally different type. And here the some common restaurant all over. Experience today, and I highly follow many more. More Patar has the war about the days of Hungary, Bob Kaiton and Bob Kaiman, the best experience from work. Restaurant, tail in a port, barbarous bonny, pale of bonny, the best of less one. Happen Botani Bagay or Daga, for Paka. Almost see, I said different. Trinity Prasani, the single on my care, some Asaraman in Angur. And all the training center of Samani, 3 months, 6 months, almost in care. Job in BCO, one of the best in care hotel management. And in care, Sandring Apostle Hotel has got Tankai, Sarani, Munani, Pongani, 3 months, 15,000 is me, nearly 30,000 on experience with this money. Never means the salmon. This is stand out on my circuit Canada. Getting both of Hanibango, some Kanay, Homolongo, the restaurant club having Homo, sitting up Hanibango, Lake, Fisher of Hamai, and Asa Clavier. One is there, step number is successful until they will see the Prasani, the Caponero, the Sunni Musunairo, the Hanya, from the second woman, the Tuba, Hani Charlotte, and Corona. Set Malatan, Haikni, and Asa Clavier. They will body inspiration normally, we will go to some balance, some business need. This city, Trinity Prasado Pano, they will so Sarona, Bago, Omahai, as a step Namani, Lake Lama, Africa, and Pokovan Saya, Doton Hamlet from Beko.